Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show how to turn on and turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and write good comments. Let's get started. So first we need down the curtain. And here we need to click on this button. And if you want to turn off Do Not Disturb mode, you might click here. But if you want to turn on, you can click Don't Disturb or Sleep, Personal or Work. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.